Okay, we're going to talk about the heat source. So if your torch is heating up a piece evenly, your solder is going to flow wherever your torch flame is. And I'm going to show you an example of this right now. Where you want the solder to flow and capillary action, it goes exactly where you want it to.
If you heat your project and the project turns black, the solder won't flow. That is the oxidation at work. And there we have it. This piece flowed well. This chip of solder will not flow once it turns black. If you have trouble bringing your project up to temperature, build a little fort around it with fire bricks. It works especially well with larger projects. You can control that heat and bring a project right up to temperature.